Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel Kana Art Academy, where we will learn about arts. In today's video we will learn about flourishing. How I have written normal words wizard, quickly and autumn, and here the flourished way to write those similar words. So this is only we are going to learn in this video the technique. Flourishing is something which is the advanced stage of calligraphy. This concept people do not tell on social media very easily. They might charge you or sell your courses to teach you this concept, but here in this video you will learn this technique and the secret of flourishing for free. So basically flourishing comprise of mainly four shape. One is like this, what we call it S shape. Then we have curls. Okay. Then we have infinite loop. Also we call it infinity loop. Don't worry, I'll tell the application of each. This will call pretzel. Okay, mainly we use these four shape at the beginning. If you become advanced calligrapher, then you don't need to follow these. There are many other shape you call incorporate in your calligraphy. So starting with S, where we can make this S, show you on G. Okay, G we make like this. Okay, sometimes we take in this direction. So in flourishing, instead of going upward, what we do, we go sideways to form an S shape. Okay, this S shape is coming here. This is curl. Okay, same in G, we can make flourish G another way, we using curl like this way. Okay, infinity loop, we same G we can make with infinity loop like this. Like this. We can extend it further, same infinity loop. If you observe in this calligraphy only, we have S shape, we have infinity, and also we have pretzel. So this is combination of all three shapes. So this is G in flourish way. You can make these ovals quite larger than the rest. Okay, these are at tail point. Now at the beginning, like at head side also we can make these shapes. I'll show you in letter D. Suppose you write normal D in this way. Okay, this is my D. So what I will do, we can write in this way also, using S shape in two parts. First like this, and then D, and then like this. This is flourish D using S. Similarly, you can use curl to make it like this. This is D. You can do like this. This oval become quite small. You can start with this. Using curls. Again I'll show you. Start from here, go upward, sideways, and T. Okay. Using infinity loop we can make it like this. Either you make it like this, or also we can do in two parts. First write this D, like this. So flourishing needs some practice, also some planning. How you are going to flourish the word or the letter. Okay, these need planning and also practice. So I have shown you using S-shape, curl and infinity loop and pretzel how to flourish your letter. Now I'll show you some examples by framing some words. Suppose you are writing brave, normal. I'm just writing a normal and flourished. Okay, you will see the difference. How this flourished word looks so amazing. Flourish in normal, brave in normal way. I will now. I'll flourish. Now I'll make an S shape in this by making this, and also I can extend it to make it further. So this is an example. You can write brave. Another one I would like to show you how you can flourish charming. One of the very important point of flourishing is that whenever you are flourishing any word, you have to flourish in a symmetry. What a symmetry means? Suppose you are flourishing something here. Okay, so in opposite side you have to flourish that, not the same side. I cannot do like this. If I'll do it, it is not look good. So always flourish in a symmetry. So what we can do, suppose I am flourishing H, I can flourish G here. Like I will make something like this. So here symmetry is achieved. Flourish charming like this. Like this. So this is flourishing. What we learned about all this shape, and you have to make the symmetry before you do flourishing, and always you have to practice and plan your flourishing before you actually incorporate in your word. So I would like to tell you the difference. Here I planned my flourishing before making it fair, but here I did just like that. So you can see here I am not achieving my symmetry, that's why it is not looking that good. But here I planned my flourishing, and you can see this is looking better than this flourish. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.